Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles for you. And today I'm going to show you how to draw a corgi. So before we get started, please feel free to leave a like on this video and subscribe if you have not already. And feel free to leave a comment and let me know something that you would like to learn how to draw, or maybe something that you would just like to see me draw. All right, so let's get started drawing a cute little corgi dog. I'm going to start with an eye. Okay, so we're going to do a little eye shape like that. It's kind of like a football, and then we can kind of do a little circle there inside it, great big circle. And I'm going to do a little oval right here up top, and a little kind of a jelly bean shape on the bottom. And the rest I'm going to color in all black. Next thing I'm going to do the other eye. So let's give it a little bit of space and do exactly what we just did. So our little football eye shape, and then round on the inside, do our little top oval and our little jelly bean shape on the bottom, and then color everything in black. So we can try to match them up. This one here is a little bit higher than this one. Try to make it a little bit more similar, but it's okay if it's not super duper perfect. All right, so the next thing we can do, let's do a nose. So we can come down a little bit and do a little line like that, and then point it there on the bottom. And we can do like little circles here for nostrils and color those in all black. And I'm going to put an oval right here because I'm eventually going to color the nose in black, and this little oval I'm going to leave white, and it's just going to be like a little shiny spot on the nose where the light is hitting the nose. All right, so up top, let's do a bit of the head shape. So you can see I'm not doing a straight line. I'm adding little bits of texture here, bits of fur, because this corgi's a little fluffy friend. So great big ear now. We can kind of start to go up and round it right there and come on down. And kind of come up this way, and a little bit of a curve right here, and bits of texture here. And on the other side, we can do the other ear. And put a little line here. So we're trying to make them kind of the same size, but like I said with the eye, it's okay if it's not exactly the same. All right, so next thing we can do the mouth. So I'm gonna make a little silly shape like that. And I'm gonna put a little line here that goes to the nose. And let's do a little curve right here. And next, let's add a few little teeth. So just a few little hills, really, like that. And then I'm going to do a little curve this way, kind of following the shape we made with those teeth. And I'm going to kind of darken in right here. like that. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to curve this line down a bit and bring it along this way and bring it on up. And now this I'm going to color in all dark. It's like his gums. He's got black gums. And now we can do the bottom of the mouth here. And follow along that shape we did. Okay, and let's see. Let's work our way down on the sides of the face here. And we gotta use lots of these little lines to help show the texture of the fur. And let's see. Let's put a little line this way, coming down, and same on the other side. And we can bring it on down here past the nose and bring it on up here. And same on the other side. And right here for the mouth, I'm gonna curve it up a little bit, and same right here. So he kind of looks like he's a little bit happier now. And we can do a few little dots here. That's where his little those little whiskers would be. It's not just cats that have whiskers. We can add a few there, just a few little ones. And a couple up here too by the eyes. And let's keep going with some textured fur. And I'm bringing this line here, I'm bringing this down a little bit more. And same on this side. And then those bits kind of get blended out here on the side with our textured pieces of fluffy fur. All right, so working our way down here now. You can see I'm starting to kind of go this way now. All right, so now let's do a leg. And we can do 1, 2, 3 little toes. And bring this on up. And we can do another little front foot here. 1, 2, 3 little toes. So now we've got the front legs done. And let's start from here and do part of the back. So corgis are pretty long. So let's see, he's almost getting cut off the page. And work on the belly here. And it's starting to kind of go up a little bit. And right here we can bring a few of these textured lines down. We're going to do our back leg. And we can have 1, 2, 3 little toes. And then another little back foot. 1, 2, 3 little toes. And let's see, this line here, I'm going to bring this in a bit and then down and over and bring it on down here. Now right here, let's see, I'm gonna bring some textured lines down. Okay, all right, so I'm going to put another little line here by the face and another little one on that side. And I'm going to add a few more little bits of textured fur here on the chest. And you can kind of add little bits of texture all over the place if you want. He's a pretty fluffy little guy or girl. All right, so I think I'm going to start adding some color now. All right, everyone, we're finished our Corgi picture. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you have a really wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. All right, everyone, goodbye.